Hey friends! Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Today is finally March. I don't know if I vlogged yung March 1 na or basta sa month ng March. I forgot. But if not, maybe this is the first vlog for the month of March. Grabe guys, ang bilis. It's almost summer na. Today is March 5. Yeah, 5 already. Oh, grabe, ang bilis ng araw, ang bilis ng buwan kasi I was so busy for the last days. Yun nga, nagkasakit ako. I was not feeling well. Nag-ano pala. And then after that, I was sewing atis costume for their play and ayun, nag-family day kami and grabe, ang daming pangyayari guys. So today me and Rocky are going to the store to buy some groceries. Diyan lang Diyan lang malapit sa sa lang kami kasi malapit lang, tapos mas mura din, tapos hindi din mahirap yung parking, tapos tipid na din sa gas, di ba? So hopefully meron silang mga stocks kasi sometimes kulang-kulang yung mga stocks nila kasi yun nga, malayo na yung guys ito. Late nagre-restock yung mga basta yun. Yung mga promo. So wanted to show you something guys. I am wearing this one heart-shaped earring that Ate Sashi gave me last Sunday nung family day nila. So nag-family day sila nung Sunday, tapos may binigay sa kanya kay Anma at kay Rocky Rose, tapos ito yung binigay niya sa akin. How cute! Yung heart na na earrings, tapos hindi ko na pinair ng may pendant ako na heart pero tamad na ako kumuha guys. So ito na lang yung pair, ito yung cross na pendant ko, tapos yan ate, thank you ate, thank you Sashi, thank you Dai. So pretty, I just wanted to show you, diba? Yay! Finish guys, ayan na yung guys doon sa likod. Ang daming tricycle. So maraming tricycle, so busy the road. Dahil sa tricycle, so yan. Bought this one from Waffle Time kasi medyo gutom na kami. Pero bumili din kami ng siomai kasi yun na din yung lunch namin. And kay Rocky obviously tuna yung flavor niya. Sa akin is cheese dog. Yan, cheese dog. Ang ganda na pala ng road namin guys kasi bagong asphalt. Ayan hindi na lubak-lubak. Dati semento to, pero matagal na mga maliit pa lang ako na semento to. So ayan. So ayan. Ito yung binili na box namin from cupcake box from King. It is so cute and then affordable lang. Ayan. Oh! So, ito yung ginawa ko. Yung dinala namin, hindi ganito na frosting yung, gumamit ako ng piping tip. This one is yung natira. And then, medyo tinamad na ako. Kaya, straight from the, na lang, piping bag. Tapos, siniswirl ko. Tapos, ito is chocolate flavor na cupcake. Tapos, coffee na frosting. No, saba kay kayan. Wow, delicioso. Kain tayo guys. So kain tayo guys. Yeah, so my cupcake, and this I'm going to pair this one with, of course, coffee. Blend 45 na coffee, I guess, tapos Angel na na coffee creamer. And then yun nga, yung last Saturday, gumawa ako ng cupcake. Tapos, yung dinala namin na cupcake nung family day nila Sashi is 60 pieces. Yeah, ang dami kong ginawang cupcakes that night. More than, kasi may natira pang mga mga almost, pila ito mga idala? Sweet 12, no? 12, nagdala kag 12, tapos nagkaon pa ta. 12, napadira, mga 24, mga 100 pieces yung, yata yung niluto ng cupcake. Ang dami. Tapos, nagbigay din siya sa, sa sister niya, sa sister-in-law ko, pero hindi namin nilagyan kasi ayaw nila ng frosting. So, yung isang flavor pala is yung banana cupcake, tapos yung frosting noon, kain tayo guys. Gabi. So moist, tapos ang sarap ng coffee. Yung frosting ng banana cupcake is, chocolate ganache. Yeah, diba? So yummy. Tapos, medyo na lang ako, medyo na bum kasi yung iba, na kumuha ng maraming cupcake, naglaog-laog sila, but I don't know what's the what's the Tagalog for naglaog-laog, naghinangol ba? O, basta hinangol, lahi man ang matakaw, basta nagdinaog, kumuha sila ng cupcake, tapos hindi nila kinain, tapos, tinapon, iniwan lang nila doon. I was so pissed a little, kasi, diba, my cupcakes are special. Hindi siya gaya ng mga cupcakes na nabibili mo sa yung mga mumurahing cupcake na yung ginamit lang nila na frosting is yung royal frosting, tapos yung cupcake is ordinary lang. This is so mahal. This is so special. I use very good quality na chocolate, na baking chocolate for my ganache. Tapos, sinapon lang yung 4 na cupcake. Oh my God. Getting to my nerves. Yun. Minsan, yung mga tao walang consideration. And I hate it. Pag ganyan. Dapat, sana, kumuha lang kayo ng enough na food na, na pwede nyo, kaya nyo ubusin. Then, if you feel like nakulang pa, then you're just going to return to the table, diba? Para kumuha ng another food. Kaysa naman yung kukuha ka ng marami tapos masasayang lang, itatapon mo lang, tapos yung iba gusto pang kumain. For example, itong cupcake, marami pang gustong kumain, tapos yeah, whatever. Ang dami talagang people na inconsiderate. Sayang yung cupcake ko. So, guys, another project. Kasi, Baba will be using this on like Thursday na. Then, I need to repair this one. Ito yung petticoat ni Sashi nung before pa, nung I think kinder pa siya nun. Tapos, grabe. Sira-sira na yung wire. And then, yung din dito, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan parang all over the place na yung wire. Kasi masyado ng Tapos, masyadong loose na din yung waist, kaya I'm going to change a new, tabingi kayo guys, sorry, a new garter on this one para this would fit, kasi wala nang ka-stretch na. So yun, I'm gonna work on this, but I think I'm going to do the garter first kasi nakalimutan namin bumili ni Rocky ng wire, and then he needs to go to buy wire, pero hindi pa siya pumunta to buy a wire. So, I'm gonna work this first. Yung eto. Yung tatanggalin ko lang yung eto, mabilis lang. Garter. Yeah. So, I'm gonna get my materials. Hello guys! So, yan, magsistart na tayo. I got my materials, my measuring tape, garter, scissor, and then needle and thread. Mabilis lang. I don't think mayroon pa akong need to repair. Yeah, yung lang, yung garter lang yung natin. So, let's get started! you guys. So, I already finished Baba's petticoat. And it is already 5 p.m. And I haven't started Sashi's dress yet kasi ano lang naman eh, tapos na siyang tahiin, but I still need to install some accessories sa costume niya, yung isang costume niya, kasi dalawa yung costume na. So it's already 5 p.m. and hindi pa rin ako matapos-tapos guys, kasi I got distracted with the dogs. If you notice dito sa likod, si Maui lagi siyang nandyan, tapos ang ingay-ingay niya, and I don't know what he wants kasi kasi ang ingay-ingay niya. So I went outside again to, to pet them. And then, tapos pag lumabas naman ako to pet them, hindi naman sila nagpapapet. Tapos, lang sila. They're trying to run away and play by themselves. Tapos, binabite ni Miguel yung paa ni Maui and ganyan. And, or, kasi nandyan din si Miko sa labas, yung sa tapat talaga, nakikita nila si Miko doon sa labas, sa tapat ng gate nila. Kaya maybe that's the reason why maingay si Maui, kasi nagsusumbong siya, there's a cat there, is that a cat or is that a stuffed toy? Yun, kasi si Miko binubuli sila ni Miko. Miko is our adopted cat. So nandoon si Miko kaya maingay siya. So since I haven't started Sashi's costume yet, so I decided na mag-break muna ako and have a snack. I'm drinking Coke Zero and I will be eating this one, Piwi. Kilala ba itong Piwi, guys? I don't know if the new generation knows about Piwi, but this is our snack before. Aside from chippy, yung mga, wala pang mga manghuan or something, dati, Piwi, rinbi, tapos, meron pang iba, nakalimutan ko na, kasama niya yung mga Mr. Chips, ganyan. So, it's been a while since I last eaten Piwi. So, I saw this one, so, I said, kanina kasi nagpunta kami sa, diba, sa Rizal. So, sabi ko, I wanted to eat Piwi. So, ito yung snack natin ngayon, yung Piwi tsaka Coke Zero. And then, hopefully, makapagsimula na ako sa next project. I wanted to finish that one kasi kailangan ni Sashi by Thursday kasi mag-dress rehearsal sila by Thursday. So, today is Tuesday and I don't want to work on it tomorrow kasi I don't want to cram na. So, yan. Let's see. Time check, it's 2:30. By the way, if you can see. Finally, I'm done. It is. Yeah. So, ito yung pinaka matagal na part, guys. Yan. Yung mga ito. Ito. Yung pagdikit ko dito, it took me 1.5 hours. Yan. Juliet. It opened that. Dapat ganyan.